So I want this to be able to go off screen and then to go to another level or another screen. Okay, so what I gotta look at here is when I move it about, there's an X and Y position to keep track of. So let's see, the X is the horizontal and the Y is the vertical. So I want when the X is going, it's going down, more minus number. And the X is going to, where's the edge? So minus 233. Then I want something to happen. I want the background to change. Cool. I want an if statement, so if something, then something else. Yeah. There's an if. So I said if the position of this thing, so I'm in its spritey yoke. If something equals something, that's an operator, that's a mathsy stuff. Now, maybe not exactly equals. I want to, is it greater than or less than? So, well, it's kind of going to be a very low number. So if it's less than minus 233, I want stuff to happen. So less than, where is this? Bigger than, less than. Right, and I want the position of this thing. So the X position, that's basically the horizontal position. If it's less than, I'm going to put in that value, minus 233, deadly, then stuff can happen. So the stuff I want to happen is for the background to change. So what I'm going to need here is, I guess, a new backdrop. So I'm going to upload a file. Cool, so here's my next backdrop. Deadly, I'm going to click back to this one. Click on the sprite again into scripts, and I should now get the option to change the background. So it's going to be the appearance, the looks. So let's see, change backdrop to, it's right now it's on map 1. Go, I want to go to the map 2. I could also just say next backdrop because you can put them in order. That's pretty handy too. Let's try that one. Okay, now there's a little bit of problem with this. If I start moving this guy around, at no point is this going to be triggered because there's nothing to start this off really. So I'm going to put a little flag up here to start the thing. So right now it's only going to happen once, and I want it to happen a bunch of times. In fact, pretty much forever. So a repeat forever loop will do it. Deadly. So now I have to make sure that I click here. So this loop is now running forever. It just keeps checking if the X position is this, ready to switch to the next backdrop. So let's see if it works. I'm going to move over here, keep moving. When the X position gets below minus 233, oh my god. Right, looks like I've got part of this working, but the second it crosses the border, it needs to appear back on the other side, yeah? So where does it need to go? It needs to go back to here. Kind of come out of there. And if I check down here, or even look at that, I can actually look up here. It's 2313 on the coordinates. So x 231, y 3. That's horizontal 231, vertical 3. Let's do it. So that's a position. So it's going to be somewhere probably in motion. I want to, yeah, glide to, or just, no, glide to is fly, but I just want it to go to kind of appear at this position. And look at that, the coordinates already in there. I could type 2313, but I think it's already there. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to drive him off the edge now. There we go. Cool. And this should keep working for the next backdrop. The only thing is, I didn't put the next backdrop in. Oh, and also I can't go in reverse. I need what happens when it goes off this side of the screen. But you can probably work that out yourself now because it's just the same block again, except you're doing it from the other side of the screen, so the other X value. Just move your rover to the edge, read off the X value, and use that. Alright, that's it. That's pretty much you're good to go.